This is one of the blue box vending machines located in the UAE. We have full wrapping of the machine as you can see for Galaxy. We have top ad displays which can run for still post and videos as well. And the third ad type we have is the full standby ads. And now talking about the features of the machine, we have dual language. In this machine we have it in Arabic and English. We also have tile animation. We have the product information flavor profile which gives the information about the ingredients used in the product. Our machines also have the ability to initiate combo offers like shown in the screen, and our machines allow multiple purchases in a single go as well as suggest complement products at the bottom once the product of your choice is added to cart. Our disability accessibility feature also allow the people of determination to use the machine comfortably without the help of another individual. As we move up, the machine has an optical sensor that collects real-time metrics such as the demographics of the customer, average age and gender. Right below it, we have the digital payment machine, which accepts physical card or Apple Pay.